Today, I want to talk about scalars and vectors. First, introduction to scalars and vectors. Scalars and vectors are fundamental concepts in physics and mathematics. Scalars have magnitude only, while vectors have both magnitude and direction. Representation of scalars and vectors. Scalars can be represented by a single numeral value, such as temperature and mass. They are often denoted by italic letters. Vectors are represented using both magnitude and directions. They are usually denoted by bold-faced letters or arrows above the letters.
Real life example of vector. Airplane. An airplane velocity is a vector quantity, as it has magnitude, which is speed, and direction, which is heading. River flow. The flow of a river can be represented as vector, with the magnitude indicating the volumes of water and the direction indicating the current path. Wind. Wind is a vector quantity, as it has magnitude, which is speed, and directions from where it blows. Real-life example of scalar. Number 1 is temperature. Temperature is a scalar quantity, as it can be described using only magnitude and has no directions. Number 2 is time. Time is a scalar quantity, as it does not have directions but only magnitude.
Given vector A same as 6i negative 14j plus 4k and same as B 20i plus 8j negative 2k. Calculate a multiplication B. First step, you need to spread letter and number. Example is I, J and K. Second step, you need multiplication I. Example, negative 14 2 plus 8 4 J 6 2 plus 24 and K 6 8 plus 20 negative 14. You can get answer is 16i plus 168j negative 232k. Okay, the next question is C. Calculate magnitude AB. A 6i negative 14j plus 4k and B 20i plus 8j to negative 2k. Okay, first step is A dot B. Okay, for bracket 6i negative 14j plus 4k bracket dot bracket 20i plus 8j negative 2k. Okay, and third step is 6 bracket 20 bracket negative 14 bracket 8 plus 4 bracket negative 2. Your answer is 120 negative 111 plus 8. Source of power 2 is 16. Okay, for A modulus 6 source of power 2 bracket negative 14 source of power 2 and plus 4 source of power 2 is number is 144 source of power 2 and B 20 source of power 2 plus 8 source of power 2 negative source of power 2. For answer is 416.8. Okay, last step is cos theta 16 source of power 2 144 and 416.8. The answer is 0.286 and 67. For theta is cos negative 1 0.287. The last answer is 73.33 radius. Thank you.
Conclusion of scalar and vector. Scalar and vector play a crucial role in understanding physical quantities. While scalar have magnitude only, vector have both magnitude and direction. References. For further reading and references of the topic of scalar and vector, please consult the recommended sources below. Physics for Scientists and Engineers by Survey and Jewett. Mathematical Method for Physics and Engineering by Riley, Hobson and Benz.